Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday, another shave and another instalment of Sample Saturday. The sample that you all picked, 5 of yous picked, was number 14, and that was Merchant of Tobacco by Wholly Kaw. And there it is, Merchant of Tobacco. That's a label I printed off and stuck on another tub just for cosmetic purposes, but there you go, Merchant of Tobacco. It's a nice one, this, guys. It's like a sweet pipe tobacco, picking up some herbs and a little bit of black pepper in there. Really good. We're going to be lathering that up in the timeless bowl. You see I've already got some in there. Beautiful. Love this bowl. Timeless. And we're going to be whipping that lather up with the PAA, get it the right way up, PAA 24mm amber Aerolite brush. And then the camera's picking up. Can you see the threads and the veins running through the amber? Absolutely wonderful. We'll get that in some warm water. Brush we're going to be using, razor we're going to be using is this one. That's the Ikon OSS. I'll see if I can get that the right way up for you. There it is. Ikon. Good hefty razor, this, guys. I've not used it much, but I'm looking forward to using it. And in that, I've already got it in. It's a Vidyut out of India. Actually, I'll open it up and show you. I've never really seen anybody using these apart from me, guys. So can you see it on there? It says Vidyut Super Platinum blades out of India. There's some good blades come out of India, isn't there, guys? Some really good blades. So we'll get that into soak along with the brush, get some heat in that blade. We're going to be balming up with Jovan musk. I'm picking up some herbs and some spices like a pepperiness in this that I'm actually picking up in that Merchant of Tobacco as well. I think the two complement each other quite well. And I think Jovan's an underrated splash anyway, I really do. And we're going to balm up with that anti-aging moisturiser for anti-aging. Is it working? I use it regularly. I'm 76. I'll let you be the judge of that one. So without further ado, we'll wet the face and then we'll crack on with this shave. Oh. And we'll talk some gibberish, some waffle, eh? I think I've only used Wholly Kaw once before and it was a bit of a disaster, but I think that was more the brush. Do you remember I used that that boar hair brush with a gun barrel for a handle that Dennis sent me from Oregon? But no such trouble with this. Look at that, whipping up an absolute storm. So we'll get some. Tell you right now, it's a thirsty soap, I can tell you that. I can see it right now. Oh yeah, so please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Please let me know what your slurp of the day is. Saturday, slurp o'clock. You know I'm on the jam shed. And for all you people that have started doing a white jam shed Chardonnay, and I believe that they're doing a rosé as well. So if you like the wine, like I've tried the Chardonnay, it's very nice, very oaky. There you go. Look at that, guys, whipping up an absolute storm. Rich, thick, creamy lather. So, right, wet the face and we'll crack on with this shade. So, how is, oh yeah, wow. I'm gonna have to dip the tips, guys. It's a thirsty salt, this. Have you got any experience with this salt? Please let me know. Wow, that is. That's a very good. Dip them tips again. That's a very thirsty salt, that. Look at the lather. I didn't put a lot in. Thanks to Daniel for sending me that. Thanks to everyone for taking part in the number. Do you know what I might do next week? Next week I will. I'll have a list of some, and you can just pick which one you'd like to see me use. There you go. We'll go with that. Oh, there you go. That'll do us. Wow. itchy nose. Ikon OSS, where is it? Soaking away, here it is. eBay bargain, guys. I think I paid, oh, it was brand new. I think I paid about £12 for this. I thought I was only getting the steel handle, and when it came it was a full razor, so but these Vidyut blades are really good. There's lots of decent blades coming out of India these days, isn't there, guys? Oh yeah. Let me know, like I said, what your shaves of the day are. Let me know if you've used these Vidyut blades, or you know anybody, you've seen anybody on YouTube use. I haven't, I've looked. I haven't, I'm the only person I've seen using them, but I'm sure that's not the case, you know. But yeah, let me know what you think of this Ikon. I like it, I think it's a good razor, well worth the money. I don't know if it was a slight second. I think I paid about $12.99 for it, and it was free P&P. And like I said, I thought I was only getting the handle for my R41, and when it came it was a full razor, so that was good, wasn't it? I'm waiting for something coming from the den, guys. I'm waiting for something. I'm not going to say what, but I'm quite excited about this one. Oh, and one of the commenters, I can't remember who it was it Jay? Might have been Jay. Good first pass, that, guys. He asked me in one of the comments, he said, where did you get that Man City spray? Now, I got it off eBay, but just by sheer coincidence, the other day I was on Amazon, and they're selling it on Amazon, Manchester City, a different one in a better box and all. So if you want some, go and have a look on Amazon, see if you can find it. If I can find the link for it, I'll post it under this video. There you go, look at this, guys. Rich, thick, creamy lather. Here we go. And this is a good razor. I'm almost at 700 subscribers. And when I get to 700 subscribers, I'm going to give away a razor. Not this one. Not this one. I've got another one. A good one. I'm going to give away a really nice one. I wasn't going to do a giveaway for the 700, but why not? Come on. Let's get something on the go. Let's share the love. So what I'll do is I'll wait until I'm up to about 710. Oh, because I made that mistake. Which one was it? 400 or something. Yay! I'm at 400 subscribers. I got all excited, and then lost 2 the day after. Absolutely gutted. Fortunately, you just couldn't see me sat crying. But yeah, look at this. I'm impressed with this, guys. I'm impressed with this Wholly Kaw. A very rich, very thick, very dense, creamy lather. Thank you to Daniel. Daniel sent me this. And oh, I've got a good one. I've got a good sample already in my mind for next week. I'm looking forward to using. So how are the restrictions going where you are? We're doing okay here. I feel for India. I really do feel for India. They are struggling. Let's hope things can come together and we can get them sorted. But yeah, things are looking good here. There's new data coming out all the time. I saw one that said just one dose of the vaccine instantly halves your chances of contracting it or something. It was some really. What they were saying, apparently it's the data's improving all the time. So, but yeah, thanks to everybody, all the regular commenters and viewers. The views take a dip, don't they? I think the whole world seemed to go back to work this past month. I'm quite fortunate. I've got a massive family and hundreds of friends. Yes, I've got friends. And they watch mine, so I'm okay. And then I've got you guys, haven't I? Wow, good. Look at that, that's a good shave. Look at that, guys. That's a good razor, you know. That is a good razor. I was going to throw that head away, but you know, when you're down the rabbit hole, it sat in there, that head, while that was on the R41. That head sat in there for years. And I thought, I'm just not going to use it. And then things came together, and before you know where you are, it's back where it belongs with its original handle. And making a great razor, guys. And that was a great shave. Oh, yes. Let the John see the weekend. Here we go. What do you reckon? Smooth as baby's bum. I'm not seeing it, Jovan. Right, this is where we find out now how good those blades are. There's alcohol in this. Nothing. Look at that. Not a sting. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That was the mother of all shaves, guys. I'm pleased with that one. And we'll put some of this anti-aging on. A squirt a day keeps the wrinkles away. Do you know who makes up this rubbish? I just drive around in my van all day doing deliveries, just thinking up little gibberish non-entity quotes that I can come back here and share with you guys. And that's the shave. That was a good one. I enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to my, what should we call it? Gibberish, waffle, inane dribble. It's been good. Please click like and subscribe. Please look after yourselves. We've got a long weekend here in the UK. We're off Monday, so it's Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Nice long weekend. Enjoy your weekend. And remember, in a cold, dark world, be a beacon of warmth and light. Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday for the Wednesday shave. Bye.